Okay, guys, it's been a while since last Friday. Let me just launch the stream everywhere as usual. Twitch, YouTube, TikTok. Okay, Twitch, YouTube. It's done. And let me just set TikTok. It's where I have the most conversation and the most question overall. And we'll see what the market did over the last few days. Okay, just adjust everything. Just change one last thing also here. Okay, perfect. Don't hesitate as usual to ask if you want me to analyze something or if you want my opinion on any asset. I'm gonna update my charts even if I already did most of them. Okay. Now TikTok, and here we go. Just need some music for me too on TikTok. Okay. Now TikTok. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Let's update the charts. Let's update all my plan and we'll see how things goes. Basically, this month I'm at plus 11.5k, and this week I just lost a trade yesterday on GBP GPY. It's a bit too soon. Okay, so let me update everything. Maybe GPY I can take it once again later. Let's see. I'll be honest. I have overall the right plan on many assets, but I'm not on any move basically. Here I knew I could wait for a short. I did not took it. So now on this one I think it's too late. We'll see once if he come back here. Basically the last unfilled POI of this structure in 4 hours. As always, I check first the 4 hour time frame before anything else. SP same. Already put my zone there. Put my alert too. SP same. So basically, SP already changed his market structure since a while now. There was a short to play here. Once again, I'm not in it. Yeah, I should be in it. That's my bad. Honestly, last Friday I already had some trade open, and actually last Friday I was leaving for a small trip, so that's why I'm not in this huge move. Unfortunately on SP, but it was a free move to take. That's all. Sometimes you need to take a break from chart, and sometimes you miss move. That's all. Now the next maybe there. Yeah, Fibogo GBP USD actually is the only one where I'm waiting also for something. I was watching him. So basically his market structure 4 hour is like this. Forget about this one. Here he took everything there. So he don't have any liquidity to take in his current market structure basically. So yeah, I was watching him too. You remove him, I don't need him. He fractal 4 hour, but the only issue I have here, I was watching him there already, also like you, in 15, in 5, and the only thing I didn't like in this pullback, it's because you don't have any liquidity to take in 5 and 1 minute, so I did not took it yet basically. But we'll see if he come back there in this unfilled order block, maybe. But yeah, Figo, it's the only one I'm waiting to, potentially. Always the same, we'll see if he gives me something I like. If in this first move, he already taken some liquidity, maybe I would be already in it. Unfortunately, even in 1 minute, he did not take any liquidity on the first pullback, so that's why I'm not in it for now. So we'll see. We'll see GBP USD. But for now, GBP USD, just to be clear, I'm following the market structure in 4 hours, so it's time potentially for a short. Okay, Figo. 15 minutes, which one? The same here? The same here? For buy? I don't know for buy, Figo, like I said, because I watched first in 4 hours personally. So in that case, I'm looking potentially more for a short. But we'll see. Anyway, for now, he did not give me anything I like to open the trade. It's always the same. I need first my plan, my zone, and then I need him to give me basically what I want to open the trade. Most of the time in trading, you need to wait what you want. Yeah, same. All pair against against GPY did exactly what I said during the weekend, basically. but unfortunately they did not give me my entry. Actually, I misplay one on GBP USD. I took it too soon yesterday, I think. I think it's because I was in 15 minutes. But now, in 1 hour, if it pull back once again here, maybe I'm gonna have my entry. But same. Exactly the same. Every pair against JPY did exactly what I expected. But for now, they did not give me the entry I like. But yeah, every pair against JPY came into the last unfilled order block or POI in the 4-hour market structure. Bounce from here, and now I'm waiting for the pullback, so we'll see. But indeed, they did every pair against JPY did the same basically. So now we'll see. I'm gonna finish to update all my charts and my plan, and we'll see. Figo, don't hesitate to send the GM. I just finished to set up a small Discord, and we just speak about our trade IDs and everything. It's free. We're only like 3-4 guys in it for now. But if you want to speak and to share your plan and trade with us, don't hesitate to send the GM. I will send you the link if you want. Okay, like I said, Nasdaq, too short, it's too late. Don't forget that in big time frame, it shows here in daily. So maybe it was time to short him all the way down. Don't forget about that, even if you want to long a short, long, if you want to long this. If you go, just send a DM on TikTok. I'm gonna send you this after the stream if you want. There was a short to play, like I said last week, in this huge range. I didn't like range, but I know someone talk about it. It was here. It was at the top of the range, basically. So the one who took this short, well played to him, basically. And now I don't like him, basically. Overall, if I check big time frame, I would like to short Nasdaq, not too long. If you want to long Nasdaq, I think it's too late anyway. Just effects. So yeah, he broke divergence in 1 hour. So we'll see. Maybe gonna give a setup to short once again here, but anyway, I don't like him for now. I don't know about you. If you go, I give you this after the stream, no problem. You just chill to speak about everything you want, about every trade you want, basically. So Nasdaq, I don't like him. I don't like him now. You can still respect this. Also, this leg, he took all liquidity. Now we pull back in this. So we'll see later on Nasdaq, basically. DAX, once again. One I was looking to short at the top. I misplay for those who are there. I misplay here. I take a short, but maybe I played badly and he came back. Nothing to say. We'll see once he fractal 4-hour bullish once again. DAX. We still have potentially all this to fill at the bottom of this move, but nothing to do here, basically. Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin, maybe one I missed. Also, he finally filled the gap weekly I was talking about, like, since the last few weeks, basically, Bitcoin, and now it's going low. For me, the target is at least 80k. Unfortunately, for now, I'm not in short. Maybe I missed it. Maybe I missed it here. Around 96. Maybe I missed it already. Since I'm just waiting for a potential pullback. So we'll see. It just trashed in big time frame in 4 hours. So we'll see. Bitcoin maybe gonna give me the pullback I want to short him, to short it to 80k. So I hope it's just not gonna go low without me. Basically, Bitcoin right now, I'm just hoping something like this. Give me my pullback, and then we target 80k. Easy. So we'll see. Maybe we missed it in 1 hour there. But who knows, maybe it's gonna be nice enough to give me my pullback and another entry. Basically on Bitcoin. If you're short on Bitcoin, right move. No way you can long Bitcoin on a long mid-term, basically. And you can, for me, honestly, if I short Bitcoin, it's all the way down to 80k, basically. I'm open to any opinion, like I said, over the last few weeks. But no way I'm gonna long Bitcoin, like I said. Okay, Bitcoin, that's all. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any other question or if you want me to analyze something else. That's the plan on Bitcoin. Basically, it's this. Hoping it's gonna give me my pullback. Maybe it will. And if not, next time, basically. Okay, Ethereum is less clean for me. Euro USD. Let me update this. So 4 hour. Charge there. The low is here. And now we'll see. Basically nothing to do on Euro USD. Even in 1 hour, I don't especially like him to do anything with it. So we'll see, but for now, nothing to do for me, at least on Euro USD, nothing I like. So we'll see, but for now. Euro GBP, it's not the same. So his market structure in 4 hours was like this in my Fibonacci, basically. He has nothing else to take, no liquidity left to take, so now it's just time to see once he changes market structure in smaller time frame or fractal in 4 hours, and then in that case maybe it's gonna be time to short or something like that. Maybe now it's just time to see once that's the idea on Euro GBP. 1 hour it's the same, and in 15 minutes it's the same. So my alert is at the right place in every time frame, basically. So we'll see, but now Euro GBP, basically for me it's too long, it's too soon for me to do anything with it. But it's one of the most interesting to wait over for the next few days or weeks, basically. So we'll see. Euro GBP, if he does something like this, but that the plan 4 hour in swing, basically, with Euro GBP. Don't hesitate if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something else right now for you. I'm just gonna finish to update my charts. Next one, Euro GPY. Well, like I said, like most of the pair against GPY bounce where I thought it could. Unfortunately, it did not give me any pullback to play with. So now nothing to do on Euro GBP. We'll see to update my charts once it creates a new high, basically. Let me see in 1 hour. No, even in smaller time frame, it's not clean enough to take a trade now. And I don't trade against the 4 hour basically. So we'll see once it creates a new high, Euro GPY. Unfortunately, I had the right idea, but it bounced without giving me anything I like, basically. Next one, GBP USD. Like I said, if it follows his market structure in 4 hours, he has nothing left to take, no liquidity left to take. If fractal bearish in 4 hours, so for me it's time to short GBP USD. But like I said, it's because I don't trade against the 4 hour time frame. So we'll see. I was waiting in smaller time frame in 15 there, but he did not give me what I like. So we'll see. So I'm open always, as you know, to any opinion. I know Figo was there earlier, was thinking too long GBP USD, but like I said, personally, first I check the 4 hour time frame, and the 4 hour time frame it's still bearish, perfect reaction at the top of his market structure. So now personally it's time potentially to short more than long on GBP USD. So we'll see. Okay, next. Don't hesitate to ask if you want me to analyze something else for you, next. As always. EuroCHF, I don't like it, basically. Like the last few weeks. EuroCAD, since my long ear last Monday, same. I will especially like him. Just take this. Nice eye here. Its market structure is like that now. Even in 4 hours, it's like this. Okay. So we'll see. EuroCAD once took this, not before. So nothing to do yet on EuroCAD. no CAD. Okay, next, Euro IUD. Give me my trade. He gave me a trade last week. He break-evened me once, then gave me my TP. And since he's just creating a new low now, but overall there's nothing to do. Just between this, maybe it's into this range since last month. So we'll see, but nothing to do yet on Euro AUD. We'll see how the 4-hour candle close. Maybe if it closes like this, just sweeping the low, you can grab a small long against the trend. But we'll see. The 4-hour candle close in 1.5 hour basically. But for now, nothing to do with it. Euro CAD, it's the one I want the most. Basically, I was watching him since the last few weeks, the last 2 weeks. I was waiting for a fractal in 4 hours, basically, what she did. I was waiting for something like this. And now I'm just waiting for the pullback, and we'll see after that to short. So I have my alert there, 50% Fibonacci, and we'll see after that if we can short USD CAD. Probably something like this, or something like this if you give me something in smaller time frame. But that's the plan overall with USD CAD. As you know, if you were there, I was waiting for this move since a while now. So we'll see if it gives me a pullback on USD CAD. I just hope he's not gonna go all the way down without me, like some other assets did. But yes, that's the pretty obvious plan on USD CAD. I'm not gonna place my order yet. As you know, I need my confirmation. So basically, the plan is something like this. Then during the pullback, once again, one confirmation, and then maybe I'll be in short. So yeah, as you see, most of the time with trading, you need to wait, and wait, and most of the time, the market don't give you what you want, or just go all the way down or all the way up without you. That's all. That's life. USD CHF, nothing new. Range since the last 6 months. As you know, I'm repeating myself, but I don't like this. The good long to take was end of December. I said last week that maybe with this pattern, it was the top. It was, but anyway, it did not give me what I like either way. And now nothing to do on USD CHF. I don't know about you. Hi Riley, hope you're fine. So yeah, USD CHF, nothing new. Just can maybe just. Okay. So the range is like this since the last 6 months on USD CHF. Nothing new. I don't like it. I don't like range like this. So sure, even in this range, basically, charge there. But it's not enough for me to do anything anyway. Now he's bouncing and he's correcting since fractal 1 hour, basically. So maybe he's gonna go all the way up till this unfilled order block. It's also the poke of the range. So I don't like this, but if you're in long, maybe you can set your optimal TP there. Like I said, personally, I don't like to trade range like this, but if you're into this, if you're long, since I think the long to take was probably in 15 minutes. Was probably there. Probably something like this or like this. You can target this, but I probably be out already. I will probably be out here, targeting just a corrective wave basically. But if you're still in this, put your SL at break-even and optimal TP, poke of the range in 4 hours. Why not? Why not? Why not? I don't like it in huge range like this. But if you're into this, why not? USD GPY, it's the less clean asset against GPY. Everything else did a huge bounce where we thought it could, without giving me any entry, unfortunately. USD GPY, it's less clean. I don't like it. I don't think there's anything to do. The 1 hour shows there, shows bullish back now, but the 4 hour it's not clean enough for me. So personally, I don't like USD GPY. If you want to trade this, why not? But personally, there's other assets way more clean than this. So we'll see. Gold, once again, once you did exactly what I thought it would, but without giving me any asset, any entry. For those who were there, you remember I was checking for short in this zone to target the gap in 4 hours. Unfortunately, he came back at break-even 2 times when I was in short. And since he just bounced way too big in the gap without giving me any entry basically. So gold, absolutely nothing to do. I just need to update my chart there. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this. The market structure in 4 hours is like this. Maybe can you correct soon in 1 hour? Not yet. Let me just check. Maybe it was time too long in 15 minutes. Let me just check one thing on gold. I can understand a long on gold. I don't like to pre-shot like this. But if you bounce from here, it will be a perfect corrective wave ABC there in this zone. So like I said, personally I don't like to pre-shot like that. But if you're long already on gold, I don't like it. Even in 5 minutes, you don't have any entry. Even in 1 minute, in 1 minute you can have. In 1 minute, actually, you can short. So no, I don't like it. Actually, no, I don't like it. Too long gold yet. I'm open to any opinion, of course, but seeing smaller time frame, it can actually go down. And actually, in smaller time frame, I will probably short him. USD CAD AJ. Actually, I'm waiting for him. It's the one I like the most in big time frame. I don't know about you. Just take this. So I was waiting for him to basically change his market structure or fractal in 4 hours. Because he already correct 50% of the move here. Basically, he was into a huge gap. He filled everything on this gap. Now he fractal 4 hours, changes market structure in 1 hour. So I'm waiting for a pullback, hopefully. And if he gives me what I want here, it's probably a shosh to target a new low. So I don't know about you. Maybe you have the same plan than me. I want to buy USD CAD. Why? I'm open to any opinion. You can explain. I watch first in 4 hours personally. Maybe you check this in bigger time frame. Yeah, basically AJ, personally, if I short, it's probably all the way down. But I wait for something like this. I was waiting since the last 2 weeks. He switched bearish first. Now I wait for my pullback and we'll see if he gives me what I like. Probably in 1 hour. In 1 hour time frame. Once he gives me my pullback, basically. Yeah, Figo trading, it's just everything is about patience, you know. You see some of my previous stream. You see I'm talking about plan. Some of them happen, some of them don't happen. Some of them happen, but without giving me my setup. So hi, Maybelline. Support. Okay, why not, AJ? Anyway, if I short this, I'll be at break-even pretty soon. Once he creates a new low there in this Fibonacci, anyway. So after that, if he bounce, I'll already probably be at break-even. Or I'll took some profit already. But I don't trade support or resistance, to be honest, AJ. I short this, I'll be at break even pretty soon. Once he creates a new low there in this Fibonacci. It's not enough, I think, to be a profitable trader, basically. Or maybe it's good in big time frame, you know, daily, weekly. I can understand checking resistance and support, but lower, I don't think it's enough. Like I said, Figo USD GPY, it's not clean enough for me. Other pair against GPY was way more clean. So we'll see, but yeah, USD GPY. When it's not clean, I'd rather look other assets, you know. Like I said, when you check first in 4 hours, you can easily follow like 20 assets. So when I see something is not what I like, I don't overthink. I check something else. When it's not clean, okay, USD CAD in daily. AJ. When you check first in 4 hours, you can in daily. AJ, even in daily, huh? Even in daily, for me, it's bearish if you only check the chart, of course. USD CAD in daily. You have your pullback, fractal there. Anyway, don't pre-shot, AJ. If you check your chart in daily, if your big time frame is daily, then zoom in 4 hours to see what happened. Basically, I think the good way to trade is to have the big time frame, back your plan, and then a smaller time frame to give you confirmation, basically. Yeah, but AJ, don't think like that. Don't think like it's already 4th time that the price bounce on the trade line. Because most of the time you bounce into a trade on a trade line, more liquidity your currency created. So we'll see anyway. USD CAD, my plan is like this. We'll see after that. We'll see first if he give me what I want. But for now, I'm not bullish if I'm just looking at the chart. After that, we'll see. You can always have news also. We'll see. USD CAD, my plan is like this. We'll see after that. We'll see first if but that's the idea. Okay, next one. Don't hesitate to ask if you want me to analyze something else or if you want my opinion on something else. Like I said, for now, USD CAD. It's what I like the most, basically. USD CHF already. Okay, next one. USD GPY, I don't like it. Gold, like I said, I don't like it either for now. And I said that even in smaller time frame, it was probably time to short. And that's what it did. I think it's all the way down. The short to take was probably like this. So if you're into this on gold, good for you. filled absolutely everything. Don't have any divergence against you, so most of the time it means that it's not the bottom, basically. There. Filled absolutely everything. Bounce, divergence, shosh, everything in 1 minute. There. Put yourself at break-even once we go lower than this. Divergence, shosh, everything in 1 minute. There. Put yourself at break-even once we go lower than this. Yeah, Jay, can use RSI. Basically, I use first market structure, but I like to check RSI divergence to confirm some setup. Basically, yeah, Jay, can use RSI. I like to use EMAs too, same to confirm some setup, but first market structure. I can trade without any indicators, basically, but most of the time it's never a bad thing to check if they're on your side, basically. I don't choose any level AJ on RSI. I just know how divergence works, and when you can and when divergence are valid, basically. Just know how divergence works, and when you can divergence are valid, basically. Silver, let me check silver. I did not update silver since a while now. It's currently like this in 4 hours. Bottom there. Let me remove all this. Let me remove this alert. Don't care now. So it's into this. Not especially AJ. Actually, it's 70 and 30, but I can check before if there are some divergence before on RSI. But like I said, it's mostly to confirm some plan I have. So same silver, I don't think it's time too long. I think it's gonna correct at least 50% of all this. Or this. Probably have the same look than gold in smaller time frame. So same silver, check. Yeah, he exactly look like gold actually. Except it's less clean than gold because you have this. You have a small divergence in 1 minute. So for example, if I was looking for a short, I would choose gold over silver, basically. EMAs, AJ, look this. I'm gonna give you. So the one I use is the one by Luxalgo. Like a lot of... no, actually, no, it's as Algo. It's this one, the first one. EMA Cross 102155, but I don't use this one. I set it like this. 1355 200. No, I don't care about 9 or 12. I use 1355 200, and I'm interested mostly about bounce on the 200. With the 200, it's what most people use, to be honest. Some people check the 50 too, but personally I prefer the 200. It's more solid, let's say. With the 200, it's what most people use. Some people check the 50 too, but personally I prefer the 200. It's more solid, let's say. So silver seems to follow the same plan than gold. Like I said, I prefer gold just because you don't have any divergence against you at the bottom in 1 minute. So silver seems to... Anyway, next. Don't hesitate to ask. So basically, I check. So AJ, it's the 55 and 200 cross to check if EMAs became bullish or bearish, and then potentially depend. But yes, I can check some if I like the bounce on EMA 200 to valid some plan I have. GBP AUD, I don't like it. Check big time frame. Nothing to do with that. If finally break all the range, did not create new structure now. GBP AUD. So nothing new. We'll see later what can happen even in 1 hour. Nothing to do yet. Euro GPY AJ, nothing to do. Nothing to do. He bounced when I thought it would. In 4 hour, 1 hour. He did not give me anything to long with, and he pulled back. Now. Euro GPY AJ, nothing to do. Can come back here, but I think overall he's gonna create a new high. Maybe he can come back here first. Now in lower time frame, it's just respecting market structure in 15 minutes. So why not for the one who played a small short on Euro GPY, but like I said, overall 4 hour time frame bullish. It's probably not gonna create a new high. Bounce there. So we'll see. Maybe just now gonna fill this gap. But for now, personally, I'm not gonna play anything on Euro GPY. Bounce there. This gap. but for now, personally, okay, next, don't hesitate to ask. Yeah, Hero GPY overall, like every pair against GPY, it's bullish. They're just USD GPY. It's not clean enough, but for the rest, I'm from France, Omolemo. And I still live in France for now. Paying taxes, but I don't see myself for now living somewhere else. Where was I? Euro NCD, I don't care. Paying taxes, but I don't see myself somewhere else. Where was I? Euro NCD, chef, I don't care either. Maybe he's gonna correct a bit. I need to change the side of my Fibonacci like this. Right now, and Tate, what I like is USD CAD, basically. It's the most clean setup, let's say, if you give me a pullback in 4 hour, 1 hour. Right now, and the biggest lots I've traded, I don't know. I absolutely don't know. I know my biggest profit in one trade. In one trade, it was 8K. In France, Omolemo, it's 6 p.m. In France, Omolemo, it's 6 p.m. GBP CHF can maybe give us something. If he pulled back there and gave us something like this. So we'll see, I'm gonna put my alert there. 50%, and we'll see after that. But basically just swap the low, create a new structure, and in that case, basically you don't have any liquidity to take. So sure, in big time frame, you're still looking for short on GBP CHF, but you can zoom in smaller time frame, and it can give you the correction basically. Like this. So we'll see. And it can give you the correction basically. See you, AJ. See you. Yeah, Jay. I checked Bitcoin. Like I said, Bitcoin, I'm afraid that it's gonna go all the way down without me to 80K. I checked Bitcoin. So I was checking, I was waiting that it fill the gap in weekly time frame since it just go all the way down. I'm afraid that I missed the entry in 1 hour around the 15th January, so basically last week. And now I just want to pull back, but he don't want for now. So we'll see. Maybe he's gonna go all the way down to 80K without me. Unfortunately, Bitcoin. But no way I'm looking to any long on Bitcoin. But no way I'm looking to so Fibonacci mostly first. I weight every pullback at 50% Fibonacci. After that, 61 is a great zone too, and after that, above 75 also. But it's not very important, you know, 75 or 80. You don't care. Anyway, once you have your pullback, personally, I wait for confirmation in smaller time frame. So first, I check 50, and then I'd see after that, you know. First, I check 50, and then I'd see after that. So yeah, Bitcoin, I'm afraid it's just gonna go all the way down without me, unfortunately. So yeah, Bitcoin. I had the plan since like a month, but I'm afraid I missed the entry probably there. That's all. That's the game. I don't know, AJ. I hope, but but I think I missed it. I think I missed the short on BTC. We'll see. He can still give us another entry. But now it's all the way down to 80k. Probably. We'll see. I still hope for something like this. But good for you guys if you're short on BTC. If you succeed to grab your short. For now, I didn't. But anyway, no time for long BTC, and if you're short, good for you. You can keep it and TP at 80k. We'll see. Like I said, I think it was time to take it around 96 in 1 hour. I missed this. That's my bad. USD GPY, Bongani, I don't like it. It's not clean enough. You have basically every pair against GPY more clean than USD GPY, Bongani. But I'm open to any opinion if you have one. But I don't like it. It's not clean enough in 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. Every pair against GPY did something way more clean, even if they unfortunately did not give me my entry. Every pair against GPY did something way more clean. No, AJ, for me, Bitcoin, it's just all the way down for now. If you check the weekly time frame, there's no way you can play any long. Like I said, since the last few weeks. For him to become bullish again in weekly, you need to go above 116. And in that case, the market just wants to create a new high and new low closer from each other. And then in that case, it's way hard for him to change his market structure, basically. So now for me, I think it's just all the way down. And for pullback, I hope, but I don't know. We'll see. For now, we let this gap between 93 and 94. So we'll see, maybe he's gonna give us a pullback in there. And we'll see after that. 94. But yeah, you can still pull back. You have some divergence there. Maybe to change his market structure, he needs to go above here in smaller time frame, in 1 hour and 15 minutes. So we'll see Bitcoin. AJ, we'll see if he gives us something we like. So we'll see Bitcoin. AJ, we'll see if he gives us something we like. Where was I? I put my alert on GBP CHF. Just in case he gives me something I like here. GBP and ZD, I don't care. For those who were there last week, I was waiting for a short. Fortunately, like many other assets, he just go all the way down without me. Fortunately, that's the game. GBP CAD, we'll see also. Put my alert there. GBP GPY. Same, so now I'm looking for short into this, basically. So I need confirmation in 1 hour first. So I'm waiting for something like this on GBP GPY. We'll see. CHF GPY, let me check, it's been a while. I didn't. Been a while actually. Let me update this. Oh yeah, he did what every other pair did. Let me update this. So he bounced from there. Market structure 4 hour. So now his market structure is this. So, deeper retracement, let me see. Let me see in 1 hour. Just this. 4 hours we are there. He did not retrace to the 50% FIBO yet. You have this unfilled. And in 1 hour. Did we miss something? Actually, in Tate, I think we missed a short on CHF-JPY there. Like this, I would already be at break-even, but I think I would wait this retracement, basically. But overall, like you said, in big time frame, we are waiting for basically something like this in 4 hours too long. And we'll see after that. But for now, yeah, indeed, he need lower retracement. I agree with you. I think it's good and take GPY to check for any long. I think it's good and take GPY check for any long. But we'll see. We'll see in 1 hour if you give me something I like. But like you said, we'll see after the news also. But most of the time, the news go on your way if you have a good analysis. You just need to take care of the spread, basically. The news go on your way if you have a good analysis. You just need to take care of the spread, basically. Did we miss the short on gold? Yeah, we did. I should be less afraid to scalp when I see something like this. I'm not in the mood to scalp since November. I had a very bad month in November since I'm chilling a bit. But when I see this, anyway, okay, let me just update the last charts I have on my watch list. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any other question. CAD, GPY, what every pair against GPY did. Unfortunately, did not give me my entry. I think it's too late too long and no way too short. Let me update UDGPY. His market structure is there now. Let me update UDGPY. Okay, nothing to do is into this. CHF, I don't care. Same AUD, CAD, I need to update this also. So he's into this because he took this. Okay. AUD USD, he did what I thought it would. Unfortunately, I traded badly. I took an SL in here. That's my bad. For now, AUD USD, nothing to do. Fractal 1 hour, maybe he's gonna retrace a bit. Now that he took the high. 15 minutes. We'll see. I'm gonna put my alert 50% above this bullish candle. And we'll see. He broke divergence too. It's always a bonus to know that. Yeah, so we'll see if AUD USD give us a pullback now. Was AUD CHF back now? So AUD CHF is if you just check market structure. Yeah, maybe it was time to short, but I don't like when you bounce like this because there's basically there's no candle for him to switch bearish once again. So I don't pre-shot this. If you did, take care. Just be careful. In 1 hour, you need to go below this first. So we'll see. UDCHF, if you give me something like this, why not? But personally, I don't pre-shot. I need more confirmation, basically. And the DUSD, nothing to do yet. Same for NZD-CAD. NZD-GPY, same, nothing to do. And that's all for me. Let me see gold. And that's all for me. Let me see gold. So like I said, gold maybe is gonna bounce. He's into a gap, but I think first you need to create a new low in smaller time frame first. So I think it was too soon, too long him there. Anyway. So maybe gold is gonna give us a long in bigger time frame, but like I said, you need to create new low first in 1 minute or 5 minutes. we'll see after that. But yeah. We'll see after that. Not yet gold. Not yet. Like I said, you need to go lower first. But he can bounce from here, yeah. You have this huge gap. In 4 hours. He's lower in 1 hour. It's 1 hour. In 1 hour is like this. He maybe did a small corrective wave, ABC like this, and target of corrective wave is this basically, between 1 and 1.23 of the traced based FIV extension. But I don't like what it looks like in a smaller time frame basically. Maybe he's just gonna sweep this first. Gold will do something like this. We'll see. We'll see if he gives us something. Trade. On gold now, I'm looking for potential long, potential buy. Like I said, there was a short to play in smaller time frame here. Following market structure, divergence, EMAs, basically everything. So now we'll see once he take the low, if he gave us something. Still have all of this. Still have all this gap. So we'll see. Still have all of this. Still have all this gap. So we'll see. We'll see if it gives me an entry this time. It did not there. Just bounce way too big for me. Did not give me any entry last Friday basically. We'll see this time. Hi Omfa. Hope you're fine. Today Omfa, the more clean for me is UAG CAD, but it's in a 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. I'm waiting for a pullback to short him basically. I don't think he's gonna give me this today, but not my main plan for the rest of the week. And I was checking Just Gold. Maybe he's gonna bounce from here. He did a corrective move, ABC basically. He's into a huge gap in 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. So we'll see. I was watching him, but I did not like him in 1 minute. I said that I thought he need first to create a new low, and we'll see after that, basically. But as you know, I'm always open to any opinion if you have something else in mind. Don't hesitate, guys, if you have any question or if you want me to write something else for you. I'm probably gonna stay live till the end of the current hour. I already updated every chart I have. I hope USD CAD not gonna low without me. Well, I did not trade much this week for now. I missed a long. No, I didn't miss the long. I took a bad long on GBP GPY yesterday. This week for now, I missed a long. Let's see if you give me another chance. Here, something like this. Another chance. Here, something like this. Nasdaq, well, as you can see, you have a reaction in the gap I said, but Nasdaq, anyway. Well, as you can see, as you know, I don't like to pre-shot. In the gap I said, but as you know, I don't like to pre-shot. I don't like to pre-shot. You have divergence against you. You have some market structure in 1 hour against you too. I don't think anyway this long was good. A good decision to take anyway. SP did the same basically. Yeah, Omfa, I'm on YouTube and Twitch also, if you want to see my full screen. I'm not able to put any link on TikTok yet because I don't have 1,000 followers yet. But you can check on YouTube, it's Nate FX basically. Hi, Boyzin. How are you doing, Boyzin, today? I don't know if you check, Boyzin, but the trade I was speaking about yesterday, GBP GPY, I took an SL on this. I think it's because I was watching him in 15 and not in 1 hour. We'll see. So I can take it once again here. I'm good, Boyzin, I'm good. For now, this week I just took 1 trade, 1 SL. But as you probably see, I'm not too bad this month overall for now. From what I see, you seem not too bad too this month, Boyzin. Okay, so gold did what I thought it would in smaller time frame. Now we'll see. He's still on his gap in 1 hour. It's still possible that he just did a corrective wave ABC like this. So we'll see on gold. It's still possible that he bounce from here, but basically I need something like this. And then we'll see here in smaller time frame. Gonna put an alert above this candle. And we'll see. But that's why it's I think important to zoom in smaller time frame to wait confirmation, and that's why I think it wasn't a good idea to pre-shot in the gap like this, because when I zoomed in smaller time frame, this didn't look like a bottom basically. This. So we'll see now. Not now, Bretagne, not now. Yeah, we'll see, Omfa. Bretagne, actually, this weekend I was in Saint-Malo. I was in a small trip at Saint-Malo, actually. Just to see a friend. BTC, Boyzin, BTC, you don't want to give me my pullback. I'm afraid I was just waiting BTC the last 2 months. And now I'm afraid you're just gonna go all the way down without me, Boyzin. Let's see. I hope he's gonna give me a setup here. a pullback, and we'll see after that. But I'm afraid, Boyzin, I'm afraid I missed the train on BTC. We'll see. Hi, Tio. Hope you're fine too, Tio. Silver and gold, Tio, like I said, in 1 minute, I think I missed the short. First I was looking for a long, you know, on the gap, 4 hour, 1 hour here. Then I zoomed in 1 minute, 5 minutes, and I didn't like it. But now it's still potentially valid. We'll see if it gives me something like this now in 15. But we'll see. As you see, probably last week I did what I thought it would, but unfortunately he did not give me my entry. So I wasn't in the huge pump, unfortunately. And now we'll see. If there's something like this, it's possible. It's possible that was just a corrective wave ABC. And silver, it's more or less the same. See you, Omfa. See you. See you soon. I don't know what you're talking about, Tio. Devos Club Party. Don't hesitate, guys, if you have any question or if you want me to analyze something else. I already updated all my charts. I'll probably stay live till the end of the hour, basically. Oh, okay. No, I don't know this actually. I did not follow that much what happened since last Friday, basically. Okay. Yeah, I follow a bit, but I didn't know it was tonight, actually. But I don't always like to follow news like this for the market, you know. I don't like to be biased by big news. I'm better when I watch just the chart. I just take care of big news because of the spread, of course. I would like just this candle 15 minutes close above this. It would be better if I want my plan to happen. We'll see in 1 minute. Okay, so I like gold a bit less because of this close in 15. We'll see. So still possible is follow the plan I have now. We'll see. Anyway, I'm not into any trade yet. Okay guys, don't hesitate to ask if you have any question. I'm probably gonna go in like 15 minutes at the end of the hour. I already updated all of my charts, but if you want me to analyze something, don't hesitate. Nasdaq boys in. I think we missed the short last Friday it was. The thing on Nasdaq is that we must not forget this. To be honest, I'm not gonna trade FOMC. I don't have any trade open. I'm not gonna open any trade till then. After that, what happened during FOMC, I don't care, I know. Most of the time, when you have the right analysis of your chart, the FOMC just follow your plan. But sometimes the spread just fuck you basically before doing what you want. So all I know is that after FOMC I'm just gonna update my charts, but I don't have overall any opinion to trade this. I don't like to gamble during FOMC. If I have a trade open, I put every trade at break even. But boys in Nasdaq, What I don't like is that overall we had a huge rush like 3 months ago. He was into a range. I was afraid he swept the high if it was a range, so maybe gonna sweep the low. There was this gap, but it was not a good idea to pre-shot this gap first because I never pre-shot, as you know, but because you're against market structure 1 hour, divergence 1 hour, everything. And maybe knowing you, Boyzin, if you're asking, it's because you're looking for long. Now that he did this, I guess, Boyzin, you're waiting something here, knowing you. Now. Yeah, it's possible, Boyzin, it's possible. But let's say it's not clean enough in a 4 hour, 1 hour time frame. But we'll see, Boyzin. You see, I know how you trade already. But why not if you do something like this? I'm not against it. You have the 1 hour time frame with you. You have divergence, market structure. It can be enough. We'll see. We'll see, Boyzin. I'm not against it. I'm gonna check these two. I'm gonna put an alert, Boyzin. But as you know, I don't like to pre-shot. Which chart do you have, Boyzin? Personally, it's FXCM. So we don't have exactly the same price. Yeah, I'm agree with you, Boyzin. I'm agree with you. Like I said, just in 4 hours, it's not clean enough, but in 1 hour, 15 minutes, you have everything on your side if you want to see for a long here. But we'll see, and there's also big potential news also soon. So take care. Actually, there's no FOMC. Someone in the chat bait me. Friday gonna be Friday gonna be challenging with some news, but beside that, Trump already spoke today. So we're fine. We'll see, boys. I'll need first to feel this personally, and we'll see after that. Okay, gold maybe. Okay, guys, don't hesitate to ask your last question. I'll probably leave the stream in 5 minutes. We'll see if gold give me confirmation. We'll see Nasdaq too. So basically for Nasdaq, if you feel this in 15 minutes, I'm gonna go in smaller time frame in 1 minute to see if I have a confirmation to take a long. And gold is gonna be more or less the same. It's two different setup, but the idea to look in 15 and then zoom in 1 minute to have my confirmation, it's the same. And if not, as you know me, I'm not gonna trade if I don't have my confirmation in smaller time frame, basically. Okay, guys, don't hesitate to ask. I'll be out in 2 minutes. If you don't have any last question, so don't hesitate. If you want me to analyze one last thing. I'm probably gonna check for a long with gold during the evening. GBP USD Boyzin, well, is irrespecting his 4-hour market structure. There was like this. So he took all liquidity here. So personally, I was watching maybe for a short. Fractal bearish also here. 4 hour. And well, for now, I'm just checking for any confirmation. I was checking here, beginning of the afternoon. But what I did not like was here. That in this pullback, I did not have any liquidity taken, basically. I don't know, maybe it's gonna go back into this and field order block first. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, I'd rather follow the 4-hour time frame. This market structure is like this. So I'd rather looking for short, personally. So we'll see. We'll see, boys in. If there were some liquidity there, I would probably maybe be in it already, like this. But no liquidity taken here. I don't like the unfilled order block at the top. Now we shows. Oh no, I mean 3 minutes, my bad. So we'll see. So more bearish in GBP USD, but it did not give me everything I like to open a short. But the overall plan, yes, it's more bearish personally. Yes, we'll see. We'll see. I'd see gold. So basically gold, if you pull back now, I'll check if it changes market structure in 1 minute, maybe to open a long. and Nasdaq, like I said, we'll see basically the same. Once he touched this, okay guys, I'm gonna go see you see you tomorrow and Friday. I'll be here for the rest of the week. And that's all. Good luck on your trade if you're trading today. Gold, Thibaut. I'm gonna repeat what I said on gold before I go. Gold into this gap, 1 hour. For now, maybe it just did a corrective wave in ABC like this, because in that case the target of corrective wave is between 1 and 1.23. You're with the market structure in 4 hours, as you know, since last Friday. So for me, if there somewhere it can bounce is here. And now that he fractaled this in 15 minutes, maybe I'm gonna check for a long. I'll see in 1 minute. I'll check. If you give me one pullback, 50%, I'll check in 1 minute if it gives me a confirmation basically. And maybe I'm gonna open a long, but just to be clear, if I open a long soon, my stop loss gonna follow the 1 minute time frame, and maybe my target's just gonna be 2 or 3 hours. I'm not necessarily gonna target the high. And I move my SL following the time frame of execution I have. So in that case, it's probably gonna be the 1 minute time frame. So I'll see after that. But it's not time to short anymore on gold. Thibaut, I guess that was your mindset too. So we'll see, Thibaut. Personally, I'm gonna go. See you tomorrow, guys. Be here for the US session. We'll see what happened. So currently, in my wait list, maybe a trade on USD CAD. We'll see gold and we'll see Nasdaq too. And yeah, see you tomorrow. I'll try to be here for 3 p.m. French time tomorrow. And we'll see together what happened during the US session. See you soon, guys. Good evening and good luck with your trade if you have any trade open already. See you guys.